Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the SIM and plan permit LTE, otherwise switching won't stick. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and disable VPN or corporate profiles that can lock radio settings. Now open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then SIM and Network for the line you want to change. You do this first because the operator and SIM determine available modes. From here, you'll access the preferred network type control. This is where you make the change. You now tap the active SIM entry and enter Mobile Network Settings to find the preferred network type option. Once there, you'll see 5G/4G/3G choices. Select the 4G/3G/2G, often labeled LTE or LTE-only option to force 4G. This reduces handoffs and stops 5G from engaging. Make sure to save or back out. The change applies immediately. If the phone briefly reconnects or shows emergency calls only while switching, give it a minute to reattach to the LTE network. You finish by confirming the status bar shows LTE or 4G. That verifies the radio preferred mode applied. If the icon doesn't update, restart the phone to force a fresh network registration. Once restarted, if you still see 5G or no service, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Reinsert the SIM as a next step. As a troubleshooting tip, if none of that works, contact your carrier. Some plans or SIMs are provisioned for 5G only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.